Hello everyone, my name is Himani Soni and I am currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology branch from NIT Raipur. Today I am sharing my self-introspection video based on few important questions which will help us understand myself better. Through these questions, I will honestly share what I have learned about myself and how I want to grow as a person. I am someone who never gives up no matter how hard the situation becomes. I believe in myself and I carry confidence that comes from learning, failing, and growing every day. I am emotional not as a weakness but as a strength that allows me to feel deeply, understand people, and connect with the world around. I am also interested in becoming a content creator and someone who expresses ideas creatively and inspire others. I am a photography enthusiast who loves capturing moments, emotions, and stories through a lens. What worries me most about the future is the fear of not reaching my full potential. I sometimes wonder what if I will make the right choices at the right time or if I might miss important opportunities. The uncertainty of career, success, and stability can feel overwhelming, especially in a world that is constantly changing. I also worry about losing my confidence along the way, but I will make sure this won't happen. However, these worries also motivate me to work harder, stay focused, and keep improving myself. I believe that as long as I stay determined and true to who I am, I can face the future with courage and hope. No, I don't think I would have the same plans if this was the last day of my life. I would spend more time with my family and loved ones. I would express my feelings openly, forgive people, and let go of regrets. These questions remind me that life is very short and I should have valued relationships and moments more than stress and pressure. What I am really afraid of is not failure, but regret. The fear of looking back and realizing that I didn't try hard enough. I am scared of staying in my comfort zone and letting fear stop me from chasing my dreams. I worry about disappointing myself and the people who believe in myself. I am also scared of losing my confidence or my passion, which I will make sure this won't happen. The thought of being misunderstood or not valued sometime holds me back, but I remind myself that fear is a part of growth. Instead of letting it control me, I choose to face it, learn from it, and turn it into strength as I move forward in life. Yes, I am holding on to past mistakes and self doubt. I often replay situations in my mind and blame myself. I need to let go of guilt and accept that mistakes are lessons, not weaknesses. Waiting for the perfect time only delays growth. And perfect time is not found, it is created by ourselves. Every dream I have, every skill I want to build, and every risk I am afraid to take begins with a decision today. Now, it is the time to step out of my comfort zone, to make mistakes, and to learn from them. Now is the time to chase my passions, express myself creatively, and work toward the future I imagine. Because if I keep waiting, time will move on without me, and I choose to move forward now with courage and confidence. My family, my self respect, my inner peace are most important to me. I value the people who support me in hard times and stand by me during difficult times. My passion for creativity, especially photography and content creation, also matters deeply because it allows me to express myself and who I am to connect with others. Kindness, honesty, and consistency guide my actions. At the end of the day, what truly matters to me is living a life with purpose, where I grow, help others, and feel proud of the person I am becoming. I am trying to work harder towards my goals. I am focusing on my studies, on my communication skills, on my photography skills, on my video editing skills, etc., and becoming emotionally stronger. I am also trying to spend quality time with my family and take care of my mental health, mental peace. I matter because my existence has meaning beyond comparison or validation. I matter because I never give up even when things are difficult and because I continue to grow despite my fears. My creativity, whether to photography or content creation, allows me to tell stories to people and inspire and connect people. I matter not because I am perfect, but because I am real, learning, and trying every day. And that itself makes my life valuable and worthy. Lately, what I have done that is worth remembering is choosing not to give up on myself, even on days when motivation was low and doubts were loud. I have also grown emotionally, learning to understand myself better, managing my feelings, and becoming more patient with my journey. These moments may not look big from the outside, but they matter a lot to me. They remind me that progress is not always loud, sometimes it's quite personal and deeply powerful. I may not always realize it, but I believe I have made someone smile today in my own small way. It could be through a kind word, a simple gesture, or being present when someone needed support. Sometimes a smile is created not by very big actions, but by genuine care and understanding. Being helpful and kind is a part of who I am, and even the smallest effort can make a difference in someone's day. Knowing that my actions might have brought comfort, positivity, or happiness to someone reminds me that impact doesn't have to be loud or to be meaningful. Even one smile is enough to make someone's day worth it. I have given up on over expecting from people and seeking constant validation from others. I am learning to trust myself and focus on my own growth rather than comparing myself with others. The last time I pushed the boundaries of my comfort was when I chose to express myself openly instead of being holding back. I challenged my fear of imperfection and allowed myself to try, learn, and improve in public. It was not easy, and self doubt was present, but I didn't let it stop me. That moment reminded me that real growth begins the moment comfort ends. Every time I step beyond what I feel I save, I become stronger. If I had to instill one piece of advice in a newborn baby, then I would say believe in yourself and never be afraid of failing. Failure teaches lessons that success cannot. Self belief is the strongest foundation for a meaningful life. One small act of kindness that I will never forget was when someone believed in me at a time when I was doubting myself. It was not a big gesture, just a few encouraging words, genuine support, and that reassurance that I am capable. But in that moment, it meant everything. That simple kindness gave me confidence, comfort, and the strength to keep me going. It reminded me that sometimes people don't need solutions, only understanding. Even today, I carry that memory with me and it inspires me to be more kinder, more patient, and more supportive to others because small acts can leave the deepest impact. In the end, self introspection has shown me that who I am is a blend of determination, kindness, creativity, and emotions. I am constantly learning, growing, and striving to be better, not just for myself but for the people I care about. My fears, my dreams, my small victories, and even my failures all are part of what makes me unique. I may not have all the answers for the future questions, but I do know this I matter, my actions matter, and every day is an opportunity to create, inspire, and leave a positive mark. And with that awareness, I move forward with courage, hope, and an open heart. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to make a self introspection video and understand myself much better. In conclusion, these self introspection questions helped me understand myself better. They reminded me that growth begins within. By asking these questions regularly, we can improve our communication, confidence, and clarity in life. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to express my thoughts.